Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and I found the perfect way to safely and effectively train my pets not to get on my sofas. So this is the PetSafe ScatMat. This one is the long ScatMat. They come in several different sizes and shapes. This is the sofa size, 60 inches by 12 inches. So it's pretty long. It stretches the whole length of my sofa, so it allows me to put it on, and the animals have already learned not to get on my sofa. So the product comes with a really nice box that has a power button on one side, and when I engage the box, it comes on. It allows me to choose the level that I want it to be on. So I can make it lower or higher. That's the static charge. And it has a sound that it displays when the animal touches the product. It says that a little paw has touched it one time, and it makes a beeping sound, and that beeping sound is, besides the static, the beeping sound also detracts the pet from getting on the sofa. So I really love this ScatMat by PetSafe. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.